Welcome back to another video on Guess the Sound with your host, World of Ada. Today's sound is sponsored by, I don't even know, I don't got any sponsors. Xbox. Today's sound is level medium-ish, maybe harder. This might be a hard one, folks. This one might be a hard one. Pause. Ready to guess the sound? Today's sound is... Ready? 3, 2, 1. Get your listening ears ready. Here it is. That is a level hard, guys. Good luck. Post your guess. Oh no. In the comments below. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.